Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me if you want it. Stay with me.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Sorry, I was in a video call with somebody else. Fucked up the pound yen trade, so much volatility. Perfect reverb reversal here. Looks a lot better when people can see that. And back up, tested the reverb very nicely. And volatility messed it up pretty bad. So, what are you in?
Trying to get out of Aussie JPY.
Aussie JPY, what's he doing there? What are you doing there? Should be a short too.
Short. But I'm not happy with how fucking volatile it is.
Oh, that looks pretty good. It went to read. Yeah, it actually went pretty high up. I agree with that. The Nikkei went also better, but this is short. But there is horizontal support on ASEAN on the 4-hour chart from 2 weeks ago. I guess that's why it's bouncing around here.
I see.
So if the Nikkei goes below 22,564 or something, this is gonna move a lot faster downwards. Which is bad for me, because I'm already in pound yen and I'm hedged already and I have no setup to get out of it.
See, I got a bit of cake with just a JPY short, USD JPY. And really, besides that, nothing much.
Yeah, I don't really trade dollar yen. I just have it on my charts, so because we need to know what's what. Plus the dollar is going up, so shorting across is better, like ASEAN, pound yen. But the Nikkei is still green, so I'm gonna wait until this turns red and leave this on. Brexit volatility is just garbage. Actually, I was still up yesterday as the vote counting blah nonsense happened. I wanted to live stream it, but I was so tired. Had a hard time keeping my eyes open. About ASEAN, if it not goes higher than, yeah, like the high it was just now, I would not really worry much about it. This looks very strong short. But like I said, the Nikkei is still green, so this could change. And I fucked it up once already, so that's why I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna regret what I just said. I have a very, very strong feeling about that. This is gonna hit the target with me still on board. Oh shit, I did an updated date. I'm gonna get me another coffee. Back in a second. I'm gonna go so down without me. Well, but the Nika is still on the way up, so...
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you want. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter.
Damn, I missed that reversal.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time. I want you, but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you want. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter. But Frankie said it better.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time. I want want to, but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Gold. Gold. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie.
Oh, what was that? Ah, shit. One of my bots is playing games with me. This one.
Pound Aussie. Gold.
Lunes, ja, para todos esos envidiosos. Tranquilo con mi flow, los mantengo. Me dicen que estás escaso, pero tengo. No tengo la voz ronca como Ñengo. Pero los parto bien duro como Sony le hizo a Nintendo. Quieren más, pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. La gente me odia porque soy original. Tanto falso que hay en esta humanidad. Yo los entiendo y sé por qué así están. Es que Supreme es tan high que no tiene ningún rival.
Todo pecho frío se cría en el río, teniendo lo suyo, enseñando lo mío. Ahí donde empiezan toditos los líos, porque se comparan con el Rey León. Yo ando de off y yo on. Yo no junto una canción. Tú Mercedes, yo tengo una parking en la colección.
Pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima, llego a la meta. En bicicleta, todos se creen esos poetas. Porque han rimado calle con galletas. Si tú me das el gusto de ser el primero en hacer las cosas porque no tiene la actitud. No estoy pa' juzgar, tampoco estoy pa' pelear. Ya saben mi puesto y no lo podrán tocar. Quieren de lo mío, pero nada les voy a dar. Porque he luchado mucho para llegar a este lugar. Quieren más, pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. Y pongan la mesa que ya son por ahí las 12. Así que los niños para el cuarto. El pay no tarda tanto. Él solamente tiene que comer. Y ustedes no pueden ver.
Ustedes me aman con plata, después les espaldas pirata. Aquí no hay juego corbata y un poco de jeva pachata. Tú sabes cómo el veneno me sabe mi hermana, de eso construyo mi sueño. Nadie me quiere ver bien, le digo aquí estamos todos muy bien.
Pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. Y todos mis envidiosos, les va a llegar una carta de Papá Noel, que se ha portado muy mal.
pick up my orders.
Nasdaq.
There we go.
Order filled. Gold. Pound Aussie.
The spread is terrible today. Something wrong here? Or something is coming up in a minute. I should check the calendar.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman.
Nasdaq.
I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Nasdaq. Order cancelled.
There's horizontal support, that's why it's taking so long.
Nasdaq.
it what you want. Yeah, you call it what you want. A lot of good things that are coming. So let's call it what we want. Yeah, we call it what we want.
Jolly
The first time in my car, after drinking with our best friends at the bar. Late night walks and smokes on balconies. Told you that I loved you, then you said that you love me. Let's not put a label on it, 'cause you call it what you want. Yeah, we call it what we want. Mistakes, we only get better. We only get better. When we're slipping up, we only get better. We only get better. We only get better.
Jolly.
We're hearing the IMF have cut their Asian growth forecast for both 2019 and 2020. Just to repeat, IMF cuts their growth forecast for Asia for both this year and next. the IMF sees 2019 Asian growth at 5%, that's down from 5.4 prior. Sees 2020 Asian growth at 5.1%, that's down from 5.4 prior as well.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, sorry about yesterday.
No, that's totally understandable in your time zone. We're all good. I bet you got next to no sleep anyway.
Oh yeah, that's true. That is so true. The Nikkei looks pretty strong now.
Did you ever know somebody who slipped away and left the city? I'm just here to tell my story.
Damn horizontals.
You know this shit ain't pretty. Take my word and make it a turn.
Don't go knocking the horizontals.
Yeah. Why is everybody trading them? They're messing up my trades.
No trace, no note, you'll never see her.
Can I sue somebody about that?
You try to find
Well, I don't think you got enough money.
Shit.
closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why.
I just saw a 9 tick chart, I think, on your stream. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, it is just entertainment. Nothing is happening. Just consolidating. I mean, the range is quite big because, well, it's pound. But nothing is really happening. Because it's stuck at this damn horizontal.
Yeah, you keep that nasty pound yen.
Lighting my last smoke.
Running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it. She left you with no words of reason.
So I'm gonna murder somebody in about 10 minutes.
Oh, have you run out of you?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Before you know it, you'll fall.
Yeah, I can just hit the bike to a shop, which is not far from here.
You ask if
But my daughter is wake up already.
fix it.
Like at 6 a.m. she walks to me completely naked and say,
The search for
she wanna go outside play with her friends. And I say, did you look outside? It's still dark. Everybody is sleeping.
She's not old enough to go to the shop yet on her own, is she?
Oh hell no.
Aren't cigarettes there like $1 each or something sort of pack?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear like 0% of that.
Sorry, my mic was up.
Oh, okay.
Aren't cigarettes there like really, really cheap? Like $1 for a whole pack.
Yeah, I'm buying some import stuff. It's about 3.
Try shipping some over to me, right? And I'll sell them here.
Yeah, me too.
We can do that. I think I can send a cat on or something without paying duties. Oh no, you have to travel to do that.
They're like $20, $30 here. I don't even smoke, but
Yeah, if you want to bypass customs, you have to carry them. You cannot just ship them.
oh yeah, true. Tape it to your body.
I know, you just carry them. That's nobody cares. If you like 200 or so, nobody cares. So, well, like, since the market's going nowhere, let's just. That was the wrong one. It's a new. Sample. Every update I have like a billion samples. The indicator sample. Ah, while I'm here, I can delete all that crap. Sample bull power. Nobody's trading with that. Ah, no, never say nobody. So where is the sample? Sample trading panel, there it is. Add instance.
What are you doing? Trying out other people's code or checking your own?
C-Trader introduced some Windows stuff, panel stuff. Default limits. That looks pretty cool actually. Just to switch to Pondian here. Play. Where is it? Hello? Okay, that doesn't work.
Hello.
Log. Crashed on start. This is sample code. What the fuck?
Stop messing with your live platform.
They delivered sample code with the update and it doesn't work. Are you fucking serious? Where is it? Sample trading panel, there it is. Top left, default lots, take profit, apply.
In geopolitical
Doesn't work,
news,
it
Turkey
doesn't
has
work.
started naval drills in the
Oh, I need to destroy something
from
right now.
October 23rd to today.
Oh, you're getting a bit touchy.
Fucked up my chart layout for that.
Best have a smoke then.
Good one.
Coffee with a couple of sugars, that'll help. So you know it goes good with the coffee.
So you know, if I'm suddenly offline, that means my computer is down on the street.
Yeah, there'll be a baseball bat taken to it.
What? No, one of the screens is brand new. That's gonna crush my heart.
Have you got an extra screen that lasts?
Yeah, but the problem is still there, so it's probably the graphics card. And this screen is really nice. A new BenQ, and it's like, it looks so tiny. It's the same screen size, but it looks so tiny because it has 0 frame. And my other screens have really huge frames.
Or is that your pound yen doing the move you want, breaking down?
Yeah, but it's just a tick chart. This is meaningless. Yeah, take profit is really far down. What's that? Well, maybe I should get back to being serious. But being serious is boring. I don't know what this line is for. I mean, it's there for a reason. Maybe this is some horizontal crap. Where is it? Not this one. No, I have forgot already what that was for. Comes with being old, let's just remove it and act like it was never there.
Gold.
Looks like some volatility is building. I'm gonna set the tape here. Blah. Cannot even talk today. What the fuck? I have to do some TV thing downstairs.
Alrighty.
So I'm gonna set the old take profit. I'm gonna be pissed later if it hits the other one. Back to the tick chart for entertainment. Let's take profit on that.
Order filled.
Why specifically a 9-tick chart?
I used 7 before, but it's too much noise. And you see there are a lot of gaps too.
Why even use a tick chart in the first place? Like, what's the like reasoning, the idea behind it?
Instead of combining time in a candle, you're combining the number of movements. Yeah, that's basically it. That's exactly it.
I don't know how they work.
Like on a 9 tick chart, you have, just like on a normal candlestick, like you have a 1 minute chart, and you have all the price movement inside of 1 minute, inside the candle. High, low, open, close. Open, low, high, close, whatever. And on a tick chart it's exactly the same, just that you combine a number of price movements instead of a number of minutes.
Yeah. It's actually the amount of trades, isn't it? Not the movement.
No, it's the number of movements.
Maybe for Forex, but
well, technically it's on all markets like that. But on other markets, especially on ETFs, you can assume there is a trade because there is a tick. This is not about volume. There are volume candles too, but this is not. Ticks is different. It's just if price moves, that's one tick. And if you have a 9 tick chart and you have 9 ticks in one candle. The advantage of that is you have no gaps. There are no price gaps in tick charts. I mean, there are gaps in my chart, but this is has technical reasons. And of course, the candle closed and the next tick was a lot higher, so there's a gap. But let's just find. Oh, there was no gap on pound yen, surprisingly, on Monday. I was actually expecting to be a impressive gap, but it wasn't. Yeah, if you see like the movement on yesterday. Oh no, this is not yesterday. Ah, here it is. See, on a tick chart, this looks actually pretty smooth. It's just massive moves, but on a tick chart they are a lot smoother because it's just huge ticks. But if then price consolidate or fluctuate inside of that, then you have a kind of advantage. If I switch a time chart, you see the difference.
For futures, when anyone in futures like refers to a tick chart, it means a chart that is based on like the amount of transaction. So if you have a 1 tick chart, it will print a new candle every trade. That shows up on the time and sales. Which is easy to do because exchanges are centralized. For Forex it would be difficult.
Okay, this looks almost the same. This is a bad example. Yeah, this is pretty much impossible for Forex.
Do you know about range charts?
Range charts coming right up. Today, there we are.
Do you know how that works?
Range charts have no relation to the time itself and to the price movement itself. They just, if price stays in a certain range, they will not. It will not build a new candle. Like what I have now is range 2. That means if the price stays in a 2 pip range, the candle will not complete it.
And if it moves 2 ticks or whatever, 2 pips, it'll print a new candle, right?
Yeah, if it moves out of that range, it will make a new candle.
Isn't that like the tick chart you're talking about?
Range charts are actually pretty good for if you do like larger time frames, like this one, this is a 30-minute chart, and if I change it now, but the problem is the range
Yeah,
itself.
that's good for like volatility, like measuring it.
It's 250 pips range here, so I have to find something that, some range that kinda matches up.
I think you can get the bot in the Discord chat to get a TradingView range chart, because TradingView recently added that feature.
I know.
Recently added range charts.
I replaced my 30-minute chart with a 30 pip range, and that gives me approximately the same scale.
Oh, you use TradingView?
No, I used CTrader. Alright, there we are. Oh, wrong channel.
You know the TradingView Discord bot in the server?
Nasdaq.
That's range 30. And that's a 30-minute chart. The numbers are coincidentally the same. I just picked one that has approximately the same range on the scale. It is large whipsaws. This is just one movement. One up, one down. This is a lot more clear. Ah, Nika is back below. Okay. Let's just switch back to ticks here. This is just for entertainment purpose anyway.
That's TradingView. They added like range charts, you see.
Oh yeah, if you're a pro member, you have range like years already.
They've always had range?
Yeah.
Really?
And you have flexible ranges too.
On TradingView?
Yeah. I'm a pro member on TradingView. I have that like, it's like forever. You can even customize them.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, because it usually takes a lot of calculating power. But they offer that for pro members.
That's a new feature though.
It's not new.
Oh, holy shit. I've been using TradingView for 2 years.
Are you a free user? Maybe it's for free users, no?
Yeah, I'm a free user.
Yeah, maybe that's why. I have range like forever already. I'm seriously considering cancelling the subscription, because besides that I have no ads, there's no real advantage of being a pro user.
Hey, I'll take it.
There we are.
You don't even get data. You have to pay for that separately too. Like live data.
Maybe I should get a little bit more serious now.
Take it easy.
Oh, it doesn't trail. Let's take this $6 for my pound, for my cable test trade.
Order filled.
Yay! That's gonna be like 0.0 whatever percent. Maybe I should take profit here.
I've realized that Forex actually trades very similar to Bitcoin, like you said.
Plus 1%. Nah, I'm a greedy ass. Nika is dropping nicely. This is
Gold.
oh, the yens are strong today. Cable is dropping, but pound yen isn't moving.
Have you seen the Aussie dollar?
It makes the same nonsense.
My currency is dying.
Yay.
Maybe I just trail from somewhere, like here.
It would mean you could go to the shop.
Still thinking about it. Greed just takes over. Gonna make me lose it all. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna take profit at S1 just as I said this morning. Come on, get down there. I have to fix the computer downstairs before the house is on fire.
Hey Fish, have you ever experimented with standard deviations based off the VWAP?
Oh yeah, that works. 2.8. It's the magic number. VWAP deviation. Check it out. 2.8. This is like magic. Actually, my VWAP bot using 2.8 for fixed take profit. This almost always works.
For one standard deviation? Or?
2.8. I myself use technicals. Right now I use something nonsense like pivots.
Nasdaq.
Is Omega here? He's gonna kill me. Oh, no fun. He's not here. Get the fuck down there. It's not that far. What the fuck? Ja, ich komm gleich. Oh, come on, this is not that far. What the fuck? 2.5 pips. I fuck around for 2.5 pips now, or what?
Which market should I test the VWAP standard deviation on?
I'll try a yen pair, that usually works pretty well. Pound Aussie. Pound dollar.
I see.
All the yen pair. Except of dollar yen. Euro. Aussie. Don't ask. I don't know. It's just something that a voice in my head told me. No, I played around with a little bit and.
You did backtest?
Yeah, sure. Hindsight backtesting, and then just keep adjusting the numbers until you get less failure. And 2.8 is just the magic number. There's still failures, of course, but they're very rare. 3 is for some reason too much. I don't know why that is. It's maybe a Forex thing. You know what? I'm gonna take profit here. I'm gonna go crazy in a second. I'm gonna trail with 1 pair, but fuck it. Now you do just whatever, but do it now.
Nasdaq. Order filled.
Oh, stopped out. Wow, that was nice.
Job done.
Yeah, 2.5%.
Excellent.
Lost 0.7 because I was so stupid. See, I entered while I was talking with Cam, and then I started the bot, and the bot was still set for yesterday's limits. So it immediately closed all my positions. Oh fuck.
That's funny.
So I have a 0.7% loss while in the trade. Oh, that was so depressing. I mean, I was in a hedge, and at this point I say, okay, this is gonna break out. I closed the hedge position, and then the bot immediately closed the short positions because of the wrong limits. And then, like, in the same second, the price drops like 10 pips.
Oh, I bet you were swearing at that one.
Yeah, I couldn't because I was in a phone call. So it's like, oh, I need something.
Okay, go fix the TV. Don't stare at this, just in case.
My daughter has a change in plan. She's gonna go play. But she said something about the cat and the keyboard, so I better go a bit before the cat reinstall Windows or something. Back in a second.
Alrighty.
I imagine him having like one of those box TVs, like the really square ones.
Yeah, I have an Intel NUC. They're pretty cool.
What, you mean like a TV from the 1940s? Or
Yeah, but like when you bang on them, they start working.
Oh, nice. I do that sometimes too with my stuff.
yeah, the Fonz technique before your time, I imagine.
Oh, don't write anything like that in the trading room. They're gonna hit on us with no mercy. Because we are the old guys. Right, back in a sec.
Alrighty.
1 second.
Gold. Nasdaq.
In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. Tell me you love me, don't let go. Tell me your secret, let me know. Tell me you love me. We got time. Wake up slowly. Time to shine. We saw the horizon with a smile begging me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. We got up and we saw the horizon with a smile begging me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. Tell me you love me. Don't let go. Tell me a secret.
Gold.
Let me know. We got up and we saw the horizon with a smile begging me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. We got up and we saw the horizon with a smile begging me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. Tell me you love me.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up me. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Set up me, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up me.
Nasdaq.
In the time I waited for your love, in the time that wasn't easy, but you know I won't be wasting any more time on thinking about getting back with you. And you know I won't be waiting for this broken love. No more broken It's a time when I won't be living in the past. It's a time when I am stronger. And you know I won't be wasting any more time on thinking about getting back with you. And you know I won't be waiting for this broken love.
Oh, that was a pretty nice exit now.
Good. I'm glad it did that. Otherwise, you'd have been an unhappy man.
No, I'm happy when I'm unhappy. No, I'm happy when I'm angry. I don't know. Something like that. Because on the way upstairs I was thinking about who I'm gonna blame if it's gonna go down. Or something like that. What are I gonna destroy if it's gonna hit my original target?
Okay, just out of curiosity, did C-Trader mess with your trend line underneath price?
Which one? The yellow one?
Yeah.
That's possible because I changed it to a tick chart. Let me just verify it. Oh yeah, I did. Oh no. On the tick chart, these are the lows. This is correct. But yeah, just for the sake of the argument. Yeah, this is supposed... I made it red, I made it yellow as the target line, but this is supposed to be a gray because it's not absolute. See, there are lower lows, and this the last 3 tests were not really.
Is there an earlier place you could have drawn it from that it's respected any better?
No, I don't see anyone. Any? Maybe this too. Let me just make one.
Oh yeah, the last 2. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, okay. Let's do this. Let's just make it another color so you can see the difference. Yeah. Nearby. That's why I usually use nearby. It's far more accurate. Yeah, that would have. Right, there we are. Yeah. Well, like I said, this is supposed to be gray anyway. I just made it yellow as my target. Junk.
So what's the plan for the rest of the day? You got your roundup to do?
Look at support tickets. Actually, I haven't started blog yet. I'm basically behind everything today. 1679. 680 then.
The Chinese Ministry of Finance also selling a 1-year upsized bond at 2.5592%. to 10-year at 3.1873, 1 year at 2.5592%.
Thinking about making a recap, but this is pretty straightforward actually. Yeah, I just mentioned the bot, which is here. There's no point.
I suppose it's about time I checked out that interview. Is the chap who interviewed you, is he still in the room with us?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
It's about time I checked the your interview that you had with Cam.
Oh yeah, you have the link?
US President Trump tweeting here in response to a story that he's privately considering replacing his Chief of Staff. Says wrong, he's never even discussed this with Kellyanne Conway or Steve Mnuchin, just more fake news.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
I made your changes live already. And Cam had some suggestions, just some small stuff. Nothing meaningful, just to make it sound and look better. But we all still agree this sucks for advertising reasons, stuff. Don't share this link, please.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm not a sociable person.
No, I just don't want to share the offer with everybody. This is just for his gang, his members.
Wow. Unique scaling method. Don't we know it?
Hit it till the broker calls.
The machine gun.
Dollar yen. Dollar yen.
Morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge.
Fish.
What up?
Could you send me the link? Pretty please.
What link?
No, for the first interview you did.
Oh yeah, sure. Wait, I put it in a trading room. Oops.
Thank you. Wasn't it a video?
No, it's just we're just talking.
Oh.
We're gonna make a webinar on 29th.
Yeah, I got that marked down on my calendar.
dollar yen,
Is that a Hello Kitty cup you've got going there?
Yeah, is it nice, huh?
Oh, stylish.
7-Eleven coffee cup.
Not big enough.
Hello Kitty orange juice cup. That shit is really good. It's called Minute Maid. It's actually made by Coca-Cola. Maybe it's only Thailand thing.
It's not iced coffee, is it?
No, it's orange juice, but it tastes really good. It's not Fanta, it's real orange juice.
Made by Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Right. They put something extra in it.
Of course they do.
Acto!
Hey, Doji.
It's Minute Maid orange juice. We have it here in the States. They have Minute Maid lemonade also.
Also, this is not a local thing.
No, it's made by Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it's
Some juice.
It's on the bottle. It's the Coca-Cola company Minute Maid pulp beer. This shit is really good. And it's not expensive.
It is good. It's great with peach schnapps. I just popped in to say hi. I'm going to bed, guys.
Oh,
I'm surprised you're up, Octo.
I shouldn't be. But anyway, here I am. I doubt I'll go to sleep now. 10 to 5 in the morning. Great.
Yeah, I had to go to work in 9 hours.
Yeah, you got to give me a catch up at some point. Tell me how it's all going.
Yeah, still loving it, that's for sure.
If you've got the Lamborghini yet?
No, I'll never have a Lamborghini.
In yellow.
I'll have a boat and come sail to you and SwingFish before I'll have a Lamborghini.
That's a good plan.
I believe you will.
Alright, fellas, have a good night. I'm out of here.
You too.
I popped in to say hi.
Alright, have a good one. I haven't even made a screenshot.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples,
Just turn on the reverb here.
algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo.
That's a beautiful trade setup and I fucked it up so bad.
Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven.
I just use the snipping tool and catch the right hand side of it.
Sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven.
This is the whole market. It's Asia, Sydney was just consolidation.
Todos esos placeres que brinda la
That's like a textbook trade. If I didn't had fucked it up by setting my bot, by not setting my bot.
Yo a ti te vi, mami, bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny.
Okay, today's blog gonna have one screenshot.
Me gusta y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito un trono. Effects, mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos, 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. El futuro, bebé, ya tú sabes.
Take X.
Giving all that you got, holding on hard to the past. Don't forget who you are, is it worth it or not? It will never ever last. Oh, look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, is what I'm saying. Don't waste your life, he's not the one, 'cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake, you need to know, just let him go. Just let him go. Just let him go. Deep inside in your heart, you still hope that he cares. You've been waiting up all night. And tell me, why do you think he's not there with you now? Been right there by your side. Look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, that's what I'm saying.
Gold.
Don't waste your life, he's not the one, 'cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake, you need to know, just let him go. Just let him go. Oh, oh yeah. Just let him go.
wanted to test this robot thing. Let me just add the numbers for today. There we are. Oh, 2.26. It's the volume 12. Double the volume. I had a major loss yesterday. Well, not major, but bad. Flipping coins here. Profit factor 2.26. 0.1. 7 trade. 25 1. Whoops. 25.
Data from Malaysia, Malaysian CPI year on year for September,
Gold.
1 spot 1%. That's short of the 1 spot 3% expected for Malaysian CPI.
I heard you said you feel lonely. Nothing is right with that. Picking up pieces of something that doesn't matter. You kept fighting, kept smiling. Prepare for war. What I'm missing is your kissing, but I know you want more. Right here, I'll wait, you know I'll wait. I'll wait, you know I'll wait. There's just you
US Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross is looking to negotiations to ease the trade dispute with the European Union. That's according to the Financial Times.
I'll wait, you know I'll wait.
Reading from the story, Wilbur Ross, the US Commerce Secretary, has floated new talks with the EU as an alternative to imposing tariffs on automotive imports next month, raising the possibility of a further reprieve for Brussels in the transatlantic standoff over trade in the auto industry.
Do you still use VWAP standard deviation? I remember you mentioning your bot.
My bot uses it, I personally don't. But not because it doesn't work, I don't really know why. I have a deviation abstraction of my indicator for that, but I haven't used it quite in a while. Let me just, where is it? Oh, yeah, dev bands. I'll just leave them green, there we are. Yeah, this works pretty well actually, but like I said, I haven't. Maybe I should get back to use it in some fashion.
So that's based off the VWAP, right?
Yeah, based off the VWAP.
2.8 standard deviation.
Oh, the indicator has 3, but yeah, I use 2.8. Yeah, if I have nothing to do at some day, I'm gonna make some action plan for that. Maybe add the deviation to my SwingFish indicator.
Would you use it as like a stop loss place to put your stop losses, or like for entries?
For exits.
The deviations.
Yeah. You trade a VWAP reversal and your exit is where the deviation at the point of the entry. That's what my bot does. Exactly, that's what my bot does. My bot just maintains a limit order on the VWAP, has predefined stop, and the take profit is the deviation at this point of time when it places the order. And on each candle it rearranges the order and adjusts the take profit based on the new deviation. So the moment the order gets filled, the take profit is the current deviation. And if you use 2.8, this is usually gonna be hit. Unless there is a major support or resistance or whatever.
What's the current deviation?
What do you mean current?
So it buys at the 2.8 deviation, or
No, it buys at the VWAP.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
So if price is higher than the VWAP, it will have a buy limit at whatever number can be set away from the VWAP with a stop minus the VWAP, and the take profit is 2.8 deviation. So if the price moves and the order is not being filled, the deviation will change because price moves. It will adjust the take profit and move the order to the new current position. So it's basically babysitting a limit order until it's getting filled. That's all the bot does. And of course, the longer it takes, the larger the deviation is. The trick is to have the take profit at the deviation at the point where it is at this moment of time. And this usually always works. Many people use deviation as a target, but this is like a horse running after a carrot on a stick. This is, yeah, well, you get the idea.
Yeah, if you set it to like calculate based off the closing price.
No, if you set it to the current one, you're never gonna reach it. That's what I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if price moves, so does the deviation. This is just pointless. But if you use the deviation distance at the moment the order is being filled, that's a pretty good target. I can just hindsight redraw that. Let me just let's do AUSIN as example.
Oh, I see what you mean now.
Let's just load up plain template. There we are, and indicator custom VWAP deviation. Make the VWAP my standard color. And the bands, let's just leave them green. Alright, there is the entry will be here, and at the point of entry the deviation was here. I'm gonna post it in a trading room. Like this.
So what's the red arrow?
That's where the limit order will be filled.
Entry. Yeah, I see what you mean.
And the red line is just that's the level where the deviation was at the moment the order got filled.
So what if the standing deviation actually went above that? Like, if the current deviation went above that red line.
Yeah, you just have to take profit where this price is. That's it. End of story. Very, very binary. Let's just pick another one. This is pretty easy actually.
It doesn't have any like oh shit stop loss.
The stop loss is defined by the volatility. It's just VWAP minus 1. And this is RCN, so VWAP minus 1.5. Alright, here's another one. This is hindsight now. So enter here. The deviation at the point of entry is here. See it?
So, yeah, so how's the stop calculated? Is it like based off ATR?
I'm sorry?
Are you doing a stop loss based off of ATR?
Experience. Based on the currency pair. This is RCN, so the stop will be VWAP minus 1.5 on a buy position. So if you enter with VWAP plus 1, on RCN it's VWAP minus 1.5, your stop gonna be minus 2.5. And the screenshot I just sent, that's a 19 pip move upwards. So this is a 1 to 10 risk reward. So this fails quite a lot of times, but because of the high risk reward, it doesn't really matter.
What's the hit rate on that then?
I'd say 40%.
That's pretty good.
Let's say 38. But because of the risk reward is so high, this is really easy money. Even in debt markets. Let me just make one more hindsight one. The chart is kinda shitty because the deviation is shrinking the chart. That's one of the reasons I don't use it. Alright, the order is filled here, so we have take profit from there. So if market starts to trend intraday, this is always working. Basically 90% of the time it's working. But because if it's consolidate, you're gonna get run over like non-stop.
Yep.
So you cannot really truly automate it, but
yeah, because they usually consolidate. You could around the VWAP.
Yeah, you have to see what the volume does, and if the volume starts to move, then okay, you start the bot, and if like the price is already below VWAP, but you cannot watch the chart like non-stop. Like I said, you're having a 1 pip entry, 1.5 pip stop. This is something happening in real time. You cannot non-stop look at all the assets. That's why, so if it starts trending, if the VWAP is broken already, I just start the bot and wait for the VWAP retest. The bot does all the rest. It makes the position sizing, places the stop, and take profit based on the deviation. Pretty simple. If the order is filled, the bot just kills itself. Because then just two things can happen: stop loss or take profit.
How long have you had it trading for?
Sorry?
Your bot? How long has your standard deviation been trading for?
How long does it was?
How many years have you had it like trading your money?
Like I said, it's not an automated strategy. It's just something that places an order for me, so I don't have to look at it 24/7.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense now.
And like I said before, it works like 90% of the time. But if it doesn't, it's gonna make you 10, 15, 20 failures in a row. So this is a zero-sum game at this point. But if you see there is a trend forming, or there is a clear direction inside, then you start the bot. The bot waits for the reversal and trades it for you.
Gold. Dollar yen. Cable.
Oh, by the way, pound yen is a good seller right now, if that actually is.
You mean like at VWAP, it's a good sell?
Yeah, that's what I do. +5 already.
Ah, I forgot you got different VWAP from me.
Order filled.
Strawberry lips burning on my skin, craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin.
Ah, fuck it.
Order filled.
What can I do? It tastes so good, every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I'm not gonna say that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland.
Dollar sing.
Eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush, need no beauty call.
Sing yen.
I never thought that one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful
Dollar
smile
yen.
is all I need. But I'm not gonna say that's my flavor. I'll put you away, save for later. You're my Candyland. You're my Candyland.
You're welcome.
Okay, so your heart broke.
The path of life brings us many troubles.
Sit around. Oh,
Pain, please talk. Sadness, humiliation.
you say you even thinking about it.
Dollar sing.
Because the more you think you see, the easier it'll be to fool you. Because what is seeing? You're looking, but what you're really doing is filtering, interpreting, searching for meaning. My job? To take that most precious of gifts you give me, your attention,